getting ready for a boat date today. We're gonna take a boat out, circle the island. Gonna have some pretty cool spots. Some of them you can't get to by land. So let's see what happens.
If you're in Milos, I'd say Kleftiko is pretty close to a must-see. The rock formations in the caves are just magnificent. The cool part is that you can actually go in and swim through them. Kleftiko has the Greek root of kleptis, like in kleptomaniac, meaning to steal. And that's because this used to be a hideout for pirates, after they steal things. Great choice, I would say, because I wouldn't mind laying low here for a few months during the off-season from looting. As we're zipping through these caves in our rip boat here, you can really see how unique these rock formations are. They have many different layers of many types of volcanic rocks. How did these rocks and caves come to be? Well, the story is there used to be an active volcano from which the entire island of Milos was formed. The unique shapes of the rocks are a result of rapid cooling of lava while gas bubbles through molten rock. This one we're going into now used to be a fully covered cave, but years ago, the ceiling collapsed, turning into this open air lagoon. They wouldn't let us swim in here because they said the rocks are still falling, but there are other cool things that happen in here. I'll let my man Milos explain.
So, in winter, this cave right here gets very, very cold. And that's why seals come in the cave to give birth to their babies. You know seals? Oh, yeah. Yes, they come in the cave like this. See? Full, nothing. Whoop, picking home. Guys, I'm sorry about this. This is body language because sometimes people don't speak English. I have to show them somehow. Yeah, and also this is how I make money in winter too. Don't tell my mom, okay? Yes.
When we're docked and not actively looking at caves, we get to swim a bit, see some fishies, drink wine, eat Greek salad. Overall, it was a pretty good time. By our third stop, I was getting pretty buzzed, a little dicey in the water.
Alright, we're in one of the caves in Kleftiko, where pirates used to hide their loot. So I'm about to find some.
Just kidding. There's no treasure here. But what you can see though are remnants of pirate ships docking here. There are marks on the rocks created by anchor chains. And I'm sure they love chilling here just as much as we did. At one point we swam over from the boat to this little secluded beach area. It's got enough space for a little picnic, I guess. Has this dried up tree. I guess you can use it as a hanger when your clothes are wet. Well, that was fun. We're getting out of here. Oh, and if you see a mega yacht, you know it's always going to be a good time. We thought about going over there to check out what's going on inside, but we didn't. Now we can only imagine. That's it for a Kleftiko adventure. It's time to go home. This was a full day from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. I will say we lucked out because we went in not having a plan. We just got up early, went door to door to all the boat touring places to see who has openings. Initially we weren't finding anything, but we somehow went back to this one place and they got spots for us. A huge plus too that they put us on the 8-people boat for the price of the 20-people tour. So glad we got on this boat, and Marco and Milos at Horizon Yachts showed us a great time. Before we wrap up Milos, let's see what else you should know. Go to Sikia Beach. It's gorgeous there. Someone was having a wedding shoot there at 6 a.m. when we went for the sunrise. Dine at Medusa and go early. Spots fill up quickly and they don't take reservations. Sunset at Klima. That's where those multicolor houses you saw earlier were. They used to be a secluded settlement of seafaring people, but now they're all Airbnbs. That is all. Signing off from Milos.